Measuring and quantity words. Slice of pizza.
Slice of pizza.
I'd like a slice of pizza, please. Bunch of grapes.
Bunch of grapes.
She bought a bunch of grapes from the market. Loaf of bread.
Loaf of bread.
We need a loaf of bread for breakfast. Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
He ate a piece of cake after dinner. Bar of chocolate.
Bar of chocolate.
She shared a bar of chocolate with her friends. Bottle of water.
Bottle of water.
Always carry a bottle of water when you travel. Cup of tea.
Cup of tea.
My grandmother drinks a cup of tea every morning. Glass of juice.
Glass of juice.
I had a glass of orange juice with breakfast. Bowl of rice.
Bowl of rice.
He ate a bowl of rice for lunch. Plate of food.
Plate of food.
The waiter brought me a plate of food. Pack of cards.
Pack of cards.
We played a game with a pack of cards. Packet of chips.
Packet of chips.
The children shared a packet of chips. Jar of jam.
Jar of jam.
There is a jar of jam in the refrigerator. Can of soda.
Can of soda.
He opened a can of soda after work. Tube of toothpaste.
Tube of toothpaste.
We need a new tube of toothpaste. Box of chocolates.
Box of chocolates.
She received a box of chocolates as a gift. Pair of shoes.
Pair of shoes.
I bought a new pair of shoes yesterday. Pair of socks.
Pair of socks.
He wears a clean pair of socks every day. Bundle of sticks.
Bundle of sticks.
The camper carried a bundle of sticks for the fire. Stack of books.
Stack of books.
There is a stack of books on my desk. Handful of nuts.
Handful of nuts.
I eat a handful of nuts as a healthy snack. Spoonful of sugar.
Spoonful of sugar.
She added a spoonful of sugar to her coffee. Drop of water.
Drop of water.
A drop of water fell from the leaf. Grain of rice.
Grain of rice.
Not a single grain of rice was left on the plate. Sheet of paper.
Sheet of paper.
Please write your name on a sheet of paper. Roll of toilet paper.
Roll of toilet paper.
We need another roll of toilet paper. Slice of cheese.
Slice of cheese.
He put a slice of cheese in his sandwich. Clove of garlic.
Clove of garlic.
Add 1 clove of garlic to the soup. Head of lettuce.
Head of lettuce.
She bought a fresh head of lettuce for the salad. Bunch of bananas.
bunch of bananas.
I bought a bunch of bananas at the grocery store. Carton of milk.
Carton of milk.
There is a carton of milk in the fridge. Bucket of water.
Bucket of water.
He filled a bucket of water for cleaning. Bag of rice.
Bag of rice.
They purchased a large bag of rice. Cupcake.
Cupcake.
She decorated a cupcake for the party. Scoop of ice cream.
Scoop of ice cream.
I would like a scoop of chocolate ice cream. Slice of watermelon.
Slice of watermelon.
He ate a slice of watermelon on a hot day. Piece of furniture.
Piece of furniture.
We bought a new piece of furniture for the living room. Bowl of soup.
Bowl of soup.
A warm bowl of soup is perfect in winter. Stick of butter.
Stick of butter.
The recipe needs 1 stick of butter. Bundle of clothes.
Bundle of clothes.
She carried a bundle of clothes to the laundry.